Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix Xbox Game Bar voice chat not working in Windows 11, 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps. Click three dots, click Advanced Options under Xbox Game Bar. Click Repair. Second method is click Start, Settings. Click Time and Language. Click Date and Time. Turn on Set Time automatically, also turn on Set Time Zone automatically. Click Sync now. Third method is open Xbox Game Bar or press Windows and R keys. Click Mix under Audio, select your audio device and also change maximum volume. Click Voice under Audio, select your microphone device and also change maximum volume. Fourth method is click Start, Settings. Click Apps, click Installed Apps. Click three dots, click Advanced Options under Xbox Game Bar. Click Reset. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.